To ensure talk. Why is it important for a product manufacturer to buy product liability insurance? The Consumer Protection Act has been amended in 2019 to bring in a concept of product liability. An entire chapter of the Act, which is the Chapter 6, is devoted to product liability alone. Prior to 2019, there was no statutory regime for product liability. Legal action with regard to product liability had to be lodged within the provisions of existing laws, such as the Indian Contracts Act, Sale of Goods Act, and the Common Law of Tort. Absence of a specific law was often confusing, and there was too much of reliance on case laws for direction, that is, previous judgments of the court had to be referred to get specific guidance. Now, with the amendment to the Consumer Protection Act, the Indian laws on product liability are almost on par with comparable legal standards in other parts of the world. So, what does this mean for the manufacturer? Is that there is a shift in principle from let the buyer beware to let the seller beware. Product regime is now decidedly in favor of the buyer. So when we say the product liability regime has shifted the balance in favor of the customers, what do we mean? As per the new legal provisions, a product manufacturer shall be liable in product liability action if the product contains a manufacturing defect or a design defect, there is some deviation from the manufacturing specifications, or the product does not conform to the product warranty. There is also liability if the product fails to contain adequate safety instructions of correct usage. This is required to prevent any harm or damage or any other issue to the consumer or the user of the product due to improper or incorrect usage. So what do you mean by harm? The definition of harm as per the Act does not only mean bodily injury or property damage, but also extends to personal injury, mental anguish, emotional distress, and even loss of consortium. So, considering the high level of legal risk associated now with manufacturing and supply of goods and services, it's very important for the manufacturers to obtain product liability insurance. Thank you.